Hello everyone. In this video, I will introduce you how to draw the father and son relation in the spatial 3D matching project. So as we have known that in this spatial 3D matching project, what you draw will reflect, immediately on the image. So unlike the 3D matching we did before, sometimes the wall can be very long and in order to match on the right view. But within this software, you just need to match, just need to draw everything that is matched on the bottom as is matched on the image. Then you move this right view to match on it, and then it will be matched very well. And by doing that, you will see that all the right views here will be matched if you can match this building on the bottom position. That's for the first part. Second is we can flip the any right view image to the left. So you can draw anything you want to help you match on the bottom position better. Okay, so that's for the second. Number 3 is for the father and son relation. I will show you guys how to do it. So as we have drawn and matched this part, this bottom part, what we should do next is we can draw this son relation in the middle here. Then we can draw for this top son layer in the middle. So in this case, guys, we can use the layer that we have drawn as a as a relation to draw this parallel line with this side, right? And we can draw a parallel line which will make our result better, and use the right angle tool to capture the shape very well. So as soon as it's down, as soon as this one is down, then we can draw, again, we can hold Control and drag the wall of this layer, match this one on the image, okay? Match on this on the image. And once it's matched on the image, then you can group it, and this right image will be matched automatically. So it's very easy, and the most important thing is we need to match this part on the image. So the image will give you the matchness on the right view. And if you are not sure, you can also, move this part to here, right? And you can drag the wall on the right view as well to match it better if the left image is not clear. Then group it, it will be matched pretty well. And after it's matched, after this right image is matched, we can, we can check the rest of the image, rest of the right view. Let's try again. All right. So after it's matched, right? It's matched on the bottom position. We group it. So if it's not matched perfectly on the right view, which means the wall we draw for this layer is not correct. Okay. So you can either fix it on the right view like this. You fix a little bit, and then you can group again on the left view. And as you can see, after I fix the wall for this top layer and I group again, this has been matched perfectly. And now we can check the rest of the right view. As you can see, it's all matched very well, right? We don't need to match every right view, so this will save us a lot of time. Then let's continue. We can use the trace tool to capture this lower layer, neighbor to it. And make sure, guys, when you draw the border relation with this one, if you can locate this point, this relative height location correctly, then this right view will also be matched perfectly. You don't need to adjust anything. All right, and same thing goes to here. What we can do, right? Let's try to match it perfect. And switch to the right angle view tool. So sometimes if it's not allow you to do that, you can be flexible, and you can capture it from here and move this and move this side to match on the left view, and you can check and see, because I found this relative location correctly, and in this case this right image will be matched perfectly, and all left me to do is group it. So this top layer is done. Then we can work on the rest of the lower layer down here. All right, and so same thing. We can just use the trace tool to capture this part. And if you're not sure what's your target building, make sure you turn on this. Okay, so this is our target building. And let's try to capture what we can see from the image. Okay, and for this part, it's blocked by the building, right? So we can find one image that has this layer visible. So this one is matched. So which means we're doing good. So this software, it can detect the height of the image, of the building in the image. So you don't need to match, take a lot of time to match some difficult cases. But you just need to, as long as the image, as long as what you draw matched with the image, okay, you as long as what you draw, matched to the image height, like you can, then you should be able to, have all the building layer match perfectly in this task. Just make sure you match this building on the wall. Make sure the wall is matched like this, and and then this all the layers will be matched very well. Okay, so this part is also done, and let's switch to another red image to check. Okay, we got another layer down here, so we can flip this one to the left and use the trace tool. Let me see. So this one is actually goes to here. All right, and I think we got another layer here. But I'm not sure what is behind it. Okay, so we got a clear image right here, so we can use this one to do the repair. All right, so for this side, let's draw this part first. this layer is not matched, we can use the code ALT, same as we do for 3D matching, right? Something like this. Match on the right, and it's pretty good. So this layer actually is not here, so let's get rid of that. And this is good. Then we can work on this side. Right, so just follow the image, follow what you can see from the image. Follow what you can see on the image. The image is the our key to match. Image is our key to match, right? This side is matched very well, and we can work on this part. So let's see. And we need to adjust a little bit for this part. It's good. And continue for the rest of it. This one matched. That's nice. Right. So the image, as I have said, image is the solution to get a perfect match. So we just follow strictly with the image, the height relation between each layer on the image, and you will be able to get the result matched perfect. And this layer again is matched, and what's coming next is for this layer. Sometimes see. So this one needs to be adjusted. And this side needs to be moved. And I think there's one more layer down here, but it's not very clear. So let me try to capture that. That should be good. And one more layer here. So as you can see, if you can use the trace tool and locate the the correct location for the where you should use how to say that, it's if you can find the correct point where you should start the trace, which is the the relative height between those two layers, then there will be very minimum adjusting work you need to do on the right part of the building, So so basically this tool is designed to this software is designed with the actual height you will use in the real life. So there will be a lot of things that you can avoid to a lot of not unnecessary work you can avoid by using this software. And you can just and you can see that the rest of this image, red image, has been matched automatically. Okay.